Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Psychology Point. And before starting today's discussion, I would first like to congratulate each one of you for scoring good marks in psychology. As you can see, I got these comments on my channel, and not only this, my own students did very well. More than half of the class scored in 90s and also a perfect 100. So, dear audience, I would like you to share my channel, because as I had already posted before, that most of the questions which came this time were included in my practice set. So if you feel that they are helping you, do share and subscribe my channel. And now let's start today's topic. And today's topic is going to help all the educators, because these days I'm finding that we all are facing problems with the discipline in the school. So for that, I had prepared one plan, and I'm going to share with you all, and I'm planning to implement it. So I would request all the educators to give their own suggestions through comment. What can be changed in it? What should be included more in it? So that it can be enhanced as we learn from each other. I always keep on saying on my channel this statement. So please come forward with your own suggestions. Now this plan which I had made, based on my experiences with adolescent as well as capacity building workshops which I had attended, I had made this plan which I am going to share with you in detail. How you can make a group of children, how you can give a label. I had used the label wellness wizards. Now how I am going to start with the meeting, so I would tell you in detail. Okay, so I would be holding first meeting, and I'm sharing that plan with you, how I would be holding that. My plan says that we have to make these students also feel special about themselves, that they are being selected for this important. Now, how will you make them feel important through your first introductory meeting? By starting it in this. Good morning to all the wonderful wellness wizards. It's a true delight to have this circle of thoughtful, compassionate and energetic minds gathered here today. As champions of emotional well-being, self-care and positive change, each one of you bring a spark that lights the path for others. Today's meeting is more than just an agenda. It's a celebration of our shared mission to nurture the minds and uplift the spirits. Let's take this time to connect, collaborate and charge up our own wellness toolkit. So here I would be giving them some reflective questions, because if we have to bring a change in others, firstly we have to bring a change in ourselves. So they would be writing the answers to these questions which I had prepared for them. These questions could be: when was the last time someone really listened to you, and how did you feel it? Let's ask ourselves also this question. Then only we'll be able to explain others. It's a very beautiful feeling when someone listens to you. Not only for the sake of listening, but for the sake of understanding. Listening is an art that we have to teach these students whom we have selected, and then proceed with the other question. Who is one person in your life who makes you feel safe or understood? It's very important if we are able to recognize that one person in our life who has made our life so beautiful, and we imbibe those characteristics in us first and later on in others through us. Then, how do you take care of your own feelings when you are having a hard day? It's very, very important. If we will, how we care about ourselves, the same way we will be telling others how. So these young wellness wizards will be answering these questions, and you can improvise on it. Then we can tell them that in this journey you have to be empathetic. You have to set an example for others. You have to uplift others. You have to encourage others. And you have goal is not of a leader. You are not the monitor. Your job is to guide, encourage and support your classmate to build a positive, disciplined and healthy environment. So the topics which you will be helping your friends would be regularity and punctuality. And to develop regularity and punctuality in our children, we have been trying. Now let's experiment. If the peers, if their friends guide them to be regular and punctual, how it comes out. Then personal hygiene and cleanliness, classroom discipline, respectful behavior, good language. They have to encourage others not to speak false language, which is also a very important challenge which we are facing these days. Homework, study habits, time management, eco-friendly practices, digital etiquettes, how much screen time is good, how much is bad. If a person of the same age is talking, the concept, the idea behind this is that if they themselves are talking, then they are able to connect better with the children of their own age. And the researchers show that this plan works. Now let's see and implement and take your ideas if it works or not. Then we can tell them, after the topics, we can tell them what would be your key responsibilities. So you would be talking to your peers politely and privately. Encourage them to improve, never scold or shame. Listen to their challenges with empathy. Note the concerns if needed and share with me, especially the serious one. Okay, if someone is indulging in some self-harm, then they should be brought to the counselor and let the counselor deal with it instead of they themselves dealing with it. We can tell them what would be the golden rules you have to follow yourself. Do's: be friendly and respectful. Use kind words. Can I help you with? Start small conversations casually. Praise improvements you see. Be trustworthy. Keep things confidential. Don'ts also we will tell them not to gossip. Do not act as superiors. Do not take disciplinary action yourself, because they are all young, so we have to first train them and they will train the others. Then don't ignore the serious issues, as I've already told. They can also be guided with the helpful phrases to start the conversation. Hello, we missed you yesterday. All okay? And then they can start. They can tell them the importance of regularity to school. I noticed you are coming in late lately. Want to talk? So this way they can start the conversation. These can be the conversation starter. Let me know if you are struggling with the assignments, those children who are not completing their work. I can help, or can we talk? Can we talk Can we talk to ma'am about it? What are your problems? Then you are so good at. Would you help the group? You are improving. Keep it up. These children, those who are acting as those whom you had selected, these wellness wizards, these wellness wizards can maintain the record of the children with whom they had a word, with the date, time, feel that this plan is going to work out well. So let's implement it this year and see if it brings changes. Then it could be the part of our curriculum. I hope this video is going to help all the educators and this plan comes out beautifully, as the researchers tells us that peer education helps. So let's follow this plan, and also please give me your suggestions on it, how I can improve this. And if you like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.